Story: The Monkeys and the Cap Seller. Let's start.
Once a cap seller was going to a market to sell his caps. He was carrying basket of caps on his head. Children, after a long walk in the hot sun, the cap seller was tired and decided to take a small nap. He lay down under the shade of a large tree and put his basket full of caps next to him. Soon he fell asleep. Children, the cap seller woke up after some time and then he found that his caps were missing. He looked up to the tree and saw many monkeys who were wearing his caps. Children, the cap seller was worried.
He quickly thought of plan. He threw his cap on the ground. And children, all the monkeys also threw their caps on the ground. The cap seller collected his caps and went away happily. Children, the moral of the story is every problem is solved with understanding.